We are looking at the Hunter's Deluxe Survival Kit, which is designed for 72 hours. All the items on this table comes in this green digital camo bag, which features 3 zippered compartments. If you're looking for increased visibility, you simply pull out this orange strip and people can see you a lot easier. Inside of the bag features a zippered compartment for storing your cell phone, your credit cards, your keys, any item that you don't want to get wet. Also inside the bag, you have a 6x8 blue tarp, a first aid kit with 107 pieces, a sleeping bag, a poncho, rope, a 4-in-1 flashlight, which has a mobile phone charger, as well as an AM/FM radio, duct tape, a green candlestick, matches, playing cards, a memo book. If you can't find filtered water, it comes with 12 of these emergency drinking water packets. If you do find water, you need to filter it. It comes with 5 packs of these aqua tabs. You have filtered water in 30 minutes. You also have a basic hygiene kit, which comes with a razor, a comb, a toothbrush, toothpaste, bar soap, body lotion. It comes with 12 packs of food rations. And it also comes with this compact multifunction shovel, which has a bottle opener, a hammer, as well as a compass. Overall, this is a really good bag. It has all the essentials that you need. If you wish to purchase this bag, visit www.thebestsurvivalkits.com.